Welcome to Sixxie Place.
All right, it's 6:35 and it's 66 degrees. So I'm gonna get started before the sun comes up. Is it lined up? Just a rough line to see what it might look like. I know, it's an extension cord that I had out here. Wow, that's gonna be a lot of grass growing back on the left side of that line. I'm just trying to get a rough shape of what it's gonna look like. If you can see the line from here, that yellow line. Oh, I have a zoom. Wow, why don't you use your zoom? So if you can see the extension cord, that's right about, I can even see my finger in the camera. That's right about there. I'm trying to have it line up with this side. Just a rough estimate to let me know what it looks like before I dig the outline. And I'm gonna clear some more stuff off of the top to get down to the good soil before I do the outline. But I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this is a better, yeah, that's about, yeah, that's about right. By the time the grass grows in and on this side, grass is gonna grow in on this side and mulch is gonna go over on the left side. So yeah, that's I think that's lined up enough to get started. Like I said, if I go over too far, I'll just fill it back in with dirt. I have a ton of dirt out back. All right, see you in a bit. All right, first layer of the debris is being raked off. Remember, we want to get that side looking like this. Learning a few things that I didn't do last time. Rake everything out before I make my line. And I'm gonna try and line up where you see that, the line across the sidewalk. I'm gonna try and line it up with this bed, meaning I'm not gonna take it all the way out. So I'm gonna line it up with the other side over there. All right, that's my progress so far. Took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes to do this. So it's still early, it's still cool, the sun hasn't come out, so I'm gonna push on. All right guys, this is as much as I did today. Again, the air quality, there's an advisory, and the yellow electric cord is where the new line is going to be. All of this stuff here is going to I'm gonna clean it out, but I'm gonna let it grow in with grass. I spent most of the morning trying to get stumps out. I got that one. I got that one. Working on that one. Another one right there. But it's coming along. It is 9:38 and 79 degrees, but the sun is just unbearable, and there is a air quality alert. So I'm gonna call it a day. But just wanted to give you an update where I am. My goal is to make that side over here. All right.